That is correct, guys. Welcome back to yet another vlog. We're here at the Chatsworth Courthouse paying this motherfucking ticket right over here. Check this out. We got the front plate game strong with a V6 F-type plate. And of course, all the tint has been taken off on the front and the sides of the car right here. So we're going 100% legit. The SVR is 100% legit. And we're in pretty good company right over here. We got the F-type R and a Panamera. So not too bad. Not a bad lineup, but we're headed to SEMA really soon, but I had to stop by the courthouse and pay this goddamn ticket. But for those who are not in the know, if you get a non-correctable violation for a windshield tint, it costs 248 motherfucking bones. But it's only $25 for the correctable front license plate. So, let's do a quick pull out of the courthouse here for good measure. Here we go. These tires are actually pretty damn wide. The rear ones for the SVR are 305/30s. The front ones are 265/30s. We're gonna put these in the Prius. These Michelin PS4 tires have been sitting around for the past couple months. As you just seen, we just fixed the front plate and the tint all around the SVR. We're gonna put these tires on. We're here back in Beverly Hills, guys. As you can tell by the infamous palm trees and the extremely wide roads. Now, for those who are uninitiated or do not know what happened or what transpired here, a couple of days ago, there was a LaFerrari that just smashed. Well, did he smash into the tree? Lost control, smashed into the tree. Got bits and pieces of the LaFerrari here that we're gonna probably, I don't like that piece. Max, I think you stole all the good pieces. Well, this is a good piece right here. That's not bad. So this is all the carbon fiber that came off of the LaFerrari. I'll put a picture of the LaFerrari crash right here, but it happened 3-4 days ago. Well, these are the two bits and pieces I'm taking home with me, so nice. Oh. There's literally just debris all over the road here. And that's the most exciting thing that we've done all day. So back in the car we go. Guys, we're about to hit 15,000 miles in the 2017 Jag SVR. And there it is, finally, thank fucking God. Hold on, we got combos, oh, look at the wheels on the oh my God. That's hideous, but we got a wire BC right over here. Check that out. Now that is what we call a Mondo combo in Beverly Hills. Totally unexpected. We've been driving around for like the past 45 minutes, I think. So we got the Veyron right over there. I can zoom in on my mirror right there with the hideous wheels. Oh, hello. Yeah. Okay, he's getting the Snapchat. We're good, we're good, we're good. And we got, oh, a disappointment. Yeah, buddy. You got a rubberneck for the wire BC. So we're in quite the dilemma here. I was gonna U-turn and check out that really ugly Veyron, but we're stuck now. It is the new Bentley in red too. A+ for effort and spec. And the Euro spec wire BC. He's checking it out. He's like, yeah, it's a nice little spot there, boy. He's probably checking it to see his front plates. Proceed with caution, sir. You might get a no front plate ticket. Oh, Mondiale convertible, or is this Spider? Is that what they call it? Convertible. It's not a very nice car. Someone in the Vander Hall has been pulled over. Uh-oh. All right, let's get out of here. We gotta check out that Veyron on those bronze, hideous looking wheels. Is the Veyron still there?
Nope.
Oh no, are you fucking kidding me? Wait.
It's gone.
Oh my God, it's gone. I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Sorry guys, we fucked that one up. I got the plate.
Oh, wow.
Hold on. Zoom in, enhance. Wait, zoom in. YOLO 777. I spy with my little eye a red carbon Chiron. Nice. So we've seen a Bugatti Veyron Chiron, a wire BC, and a bunch of Huracans and Lamborghinis. Carrera GT on Rodeo. Valves are closed all the way, dude. He messed up, man. But still a pretty good spot. What was that saying? I don't know. Whoa. Currently here back at Craig's, paparazzi all over the place, and of course an AMG GTR right next to a V6 F-Type convertible. Quite the combination. So sometimes on Snapchat I use the Snap Map feature here just to see what's going on. Check this out. I found something pretty funny on downtown Los Angeles here. Hold on. Oh, hey. Whoa. Hold on, we got a V8 in ultra blue here. I'm swole is the license plate. No way. I don't know about you guys, but that is quite the inconvenient place to break down or just abandon your car. So, yikes. Brand new M2 competition right here, right in front of my brand new bottle of champagne. Some gentleman from Nobu just dropped off. Works at the valet, guys. Check this out. We got a bottle of Perrier Jouet. It's around like what, $50, $60 or something. He literally whipped this out of his fucking jacket and gave it to me as a present. So respect to the man, the valet guy at Nobu, hooking it up. So we're not gonna pop the bottle here on Rodeo. So we're just gonna chill.
Chill with the bottle of champagne.
I know, dude. That's crazy. I've never gotten a gift on Rodeo Drive. So there it is, guys. One last look. Oh. Dude, how many M3s and M4s have we seen tonight? It must be like the 10th. Oh. Oh. Got a brand new Nismo GTR. I don't think so. Well, I don't know. We got a cop right behind him. This guy's been pulling guys left and right all night long. I think he's been giving them warnings, but dude, better be careful, man. BHPD is on your ass, son. Dude, guys, first of all, we got a bottle of champagne from a fan. We got a bunch of fans over here. Yeah! What's up, guys? What's up? Got the SVR out here with the beautiful Aria Hotel in the backdrop right there. We got the Michelin PS4 tires ready to rock and roll at the drop of a hat. I've tested these tires en route to Vegas, and let's just put it this way, definitely going the speed limit. And they're pretty damn sturdy and very grippy. So we got no tints, and of course we got the infamous wait for it, oh no, we got the fucking front plate, but it might be coming off pretty soon. The funny thing is, these vents right here are fake. You see how like my finger just doesn't penetrate through it's kind of, anyways, yeah, it's not a real vent, but this one right here is a real vent. It goes all the way through. So I'm actually blocking airflow in my own car. Currently here at the Aria parking lot, the South parking lot. We found some cars for the Corsa rally that's happening tomorrow. Now, believe it or not, this is the first Corvette ZR1 that I've seen out in the wild. Check it out right here. It's in black. Not my color of a choice, but Anthony's Garage has made a very interesting point. The ride height, is that stock, or is that just, there's some sort of like a lift mechanism, you think? Or I don't really know what's going on with that the gap right there. Gap. Yeah, I mean, hopefully that's not stock. Let me know in the comments below if either one of us are wrong, but we think that is the stock ride height. Semi lineup of the Corsa rally right here at the Aria Hotel. Not too bad. Got a lot of Lambos, McLarens, B7, Rolls Royce, a couple Corvettes, and a Bentley. Oh, don't forget the R8 over here. But so far, so good. And apparently everyone's got their front lift up. I think this is a fraction of the cars. We got a First Jet Murcielago with a wing. Oh, nice. Performante. We got some McLarens. We got Alpina B7, R8. Someone has brought their GT3 RS. Mad respect. We're doing a little Vegas loop, so to speak. This fucking taxi's in the way, but it's okay. I guess it's the Vossen section or the party that they're having here at the Waldorf Astoria. Yeah, we're going through all the valets here, and it's not looking too hot. This guy's staring me down, so fuck him. Anyways, dude, what is going on? SEMA 2018. This is the third or the fourth valet that we've gone through.
Wait, Huracan.
Oh, wow. Never seen those before. An orange Huracan.
Yes.
Completely stock.
We found it.
Yeah. All right, I take everything back I just said. There are a few cars out, minus the Corsa Rally cars, but other than that, it's been kind of a bust, man. What is this? It's a limo, apparently. Currently here at the Cosmopolitan Ballet. Not looking too hot. There's a hole in the ceiling there. Is that by design or is that just... I think they're doing some construction. Sorry. All right, guys. So if you guys remember this particular vaporware car here, the Treon Nemesis, it's got a new wrap. It's got Vossen wheels and these fancy light up little poles to kind of let you... Oh yeah, there you go. But unfortunately, this car is still not in production. It's been wrapped over. It was originally orange, and you have the super 5% tints all around. Obviously, there's still no interior, still no running engine on the Neon. What is the name? The Treon Nemesis. Apparently, it's got a bunch of autographs. I don't know what that even means, but dude, they still have not built this car, and they somehow conned Vossen into putting wheels on this fucking vaporware car. Oh yeah, you can see right there. Hold on, I'm zooming in. It's hard to see. Can you guys see the orange right there? So the wrap job is pretty subpar. It's peeling right over there. Check it out. Right there. It's peeling. Obviously, it's got 5% tint all around. There's no interior whatsoever. It is not a functional car at all. They want to trick you with these fancy poles, but dude, I know all about this car. I have seen this car in the OC when it was released, and it was at Celebrity Cars about a year ago. Wow, that thing is literally just falling apart, guys. Can you see that? I know it's just like a model, but like, dude, they've been trying to sell this car for the past 2 to 3 years. Come on. And look at, are you seeing all this here? What is that? Oh geez, hold on, look at that. I'm gonna zoom in and let it focus. Dude, I feel really bad just ripping on this car, but you guys, you have to understand that they've been trying to find investors for this particular Treon Nemesis for the past couple of years. And the premise, like I said, was you basically buy the car and you invest money into the company and you get a percentage of the company. So they basically don't have any money to build the car, so to speak. And then somehow they've convinced Vossen to put wheels on this thing.
So this is supposed to be the brake clay, right?
Right.
But it's just painted red. If that was the brake
Imagine
light.
if that was a brake light, because we don't have any investors to put money into real working brake lights on our model car. But yeah, it's kind of a scam if you have a company that wants to build cars, but you haven't quite built it yet because you don't have the initial investment or capital, so to speak. So it just doesn't, it's not a very good business model. I think
Build it and they will come, though.
Build it and they will come.
I thought.
You heard it first here on Anthony's Garage, from Anthony's Garage. But man, I think that kind of concludes our pitiful loop around Vegas during SEMA 2018. There it is, the Lamborghini Urus. The cars are coming out. Okay, so we got the Urus and the 488.
Rari 2, where's Rari 1? Bring out Rari 1!
Look at the play. Hold on. Hey, there it is.
Yes.
Rari 2. You guys gotta check this out. So you know when you put in your GPS, you pull up the map and there's like 3D structures of, you know, wherever you are. Check out the Jag. So we got the Luxor. What's that one right up there above the Luxor?
So you have Mandalay,
Oh yeah.
Luxor, New York, and MGM.
Wow, that is Jag. What are you guys doing?